Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's quick video, I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Seth. So welcome, Seth, to the freelancer course. Great to have you here. Appreciate you joining the course. And yeah, I also want to, in these daily videos, I want to give you some tidbits of motivation or information regarding freelancing. And in today's video, I want to show you, on Upwork, on the Upwork app, about a specific job description, which is MongoDB. So MongoDB, what is MongoDB? It's a NoSQL database service. It has quite some growth in interest, so you can check it out. For example, here, let me scroll down. Here's the interest demand is actually here, if you check out Google Trends and the keyword MongoDB, you see from 2004 to today, it has shown significant growth in user demand, which also means that there is lots of opportunity for you to, for example, focus on such tools similar to MongoDB. Of course, I don't particularly recommend only MongoDB as a tool where you can focus on. There are so many tools, there are thousands or even tens of thousands of tools. But I want to show you that it is possible to focus on a niche software tool or database tool such as MongoDB and master it, right? And you see many freelancers did so, like Timothy here making $80 per hour, Nikolai making $70 per hour, and you see they have some experience in MongoDB, so they have this MongoDB badge, and you will. So if you have those badges, if you have these interests in these specific tools, and clients search for those tools because they need administrators in these experience in these tools, then of course they will also find you, right? Upwork will recommend you. And you see here's another one, $100 per hour, $75 per hour, $65 per hour. So I think it's MongoDB and similar database tools such as say PostgreSQL or a Java-based MySQL tools. So there are lots and lots of database tools that you could focus on, and oftentimes it's just a matter of you having actually the guts or the balls to focus on one specific niche industry, right? Because oftentimes we want to do too many things, right? There's so many interesting tools, and we actually cannot focus on one particular tool. But if you would focus, say, 100% of your time learning MongoDB, focusing on clients, delivering MongoDB database services and stuff, you could focus your whole career on this single tool, right? And if the tool, say in 20 years or 15 years or so, becomes obsolete, then of course you can migrate your skills. You should never stop learning. You can migrate your skills to another related tool that actually replaces the previous tools, right? And with this simple strategy, you can build your whole freelancing career on a couple of a handful of tools, focusing 100% of your time and effort on those tools, on these niches, and dominating these niches, becoming really skilled in those niches, charging premium hourly rates between say $75 to $200 per hour. $200 per hour, I would say, is not possible in the MongoDB space, but you could prove me wrong, right? I mean, it may be possible, right? But I've not seen it, and there are too many freelancers who, sorry about that, too many freelancers who are experienced enough in this space, and but I mean, anything is possible, right? But I mean, if you want to reach these really high levels of income, such as $200 per hour, you definitely need to check out industries such as machine learning or blockchain development. So rapidly growing industries with rapid significant user demand, and businesses that rely on these type of services, right? But anyways, I mean, focusing on MongoDB and similar database tools, I think it's a great industry to be in, and I've shown you on Upwork that there is demand. On average, a MongoDB developer makes, so let me quickly check this out from a Thinkster blog post. So if you go up, on average, a MongoDB developer makes $92K per year. with like the most likely range between 59,000 and 164,000, and top earners even make like 222,000 USD. This is based on Glassdoor data. Okay, anyways, Seth, thanks for joining the Freelancer course. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. Also check out the Discord Mastermind group. It is free for you as a Finster freelancer student, and I'm active in the group, so I check out the group once per week, and I try to make it as helpful as possible for you and your new career as freelance developer. I'm excited for you. I hope you are excited too. And yeah, thanks for joining. See you in the course. Bye.